Hello, I'm Sadie. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Route 77, living the dream. Or should I say, trying to create the dream. We've got a van. The journey starts now.
Go for the overtake.
Stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go.
Just be careful.
Sing your heart with the roller coaster of life.
Mountain.
Because it's gonna be a YouTube video.
On the roller coaster around, got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time.
There's our little baby. Overall, we're very pleased with it. It does drive nice. It's just tickling her little tonight.
We've got to
But our first romantic, happy YouTube video together. So it's basically me and my partner Dave. We have just recently brought this beautiful van. I say little, it's not little. It's a medium wheelbase Ford Transit, and we are going to convert it solo ourselves into a camper van so that we can get on the road and start our travels together. So here's our little booty. Unfortunately, Dave can't be with me today. I'm making first video because he's at work. But I am going to give you a little tour. So here she is. This is the interior. It's not too bad. We've obviously got to start by getting all this ply lining off, taking the bulkhead out. We're going to completely remove the bulkhead so that we can somehow access the front cab, so that when we actually finally get round to going on our travels, we can hop in the front if need be, if we get into a tricky situation and need to get away. That's what I say anyway. I always think of things that could go wrong, you know, because you never know. But yeah, if you follow me, this is the interior. I mean, it's a good size. It's going to be good for what we want to use it for. We are going to have a nice size double bed here. Comfort is going to be our main priority with this build. I've got some illnesses and we need to make sure that we're very comfortable when we do get travelling together. So comfort for me, definitely. Oh, I'm tapping the mic again. I've got to get used to this recording, Mark. So this is where the double bed is going to be. And it's not bad size. It should fit us in comfortably, I believe. And if you follow me again, this is where our little kitchen area is going to be. The camera has a mind of its own. It's now doing God knows what. I don't know. Hopefully that's not making you dizzy. Stop, camera, stop. Stay still. Thank you. God, blimey, heck. Anyway, as I was saying, this is going to be the little kitchen area. We're hoping to have some kind of units here with a sink, some storage for plates, utensils, food. We're going to have a little fridge. Obviously, we're going to have to keep this area clear where the bulkhead is somehow. We're not quite sure of the plan yet, but we are going to measure, or I'm going to measure it up today and try and draw something out. We will need storage for our clothes, of course, Under the bed, it's going to be a typical layout, I guess, pretty much like everybody else's. But underneath the bed, that's where we're going to have our garage area for outdoor stuff, bikes if we take our bikes, things like that, tools. So yeah, this is the back. Here's the inside, lovely and clean. We're very happy with that. We were thinking about having only 2 seats in the front, so getting rid of this and having like a captain's chair, whatever it is you call it. But we've decided on keeping the doubles because we quite like that, and this middle seat can be home for our little dog when we take her on our journeys, and also just a little bit extra storage. So once that bulkhead's removed, we'll probably remove this headrest so that we can then get into the back there somehow. Again, not sure how we're going to do that quite yet. We've got to measure up and put that into the design. But she's a high top. We wanted that for head height, for room, so that we can both stand up comfortably inside. There's the back. We have a tow bar, so if we want to tow a trailer on our travels to take anything with us, we can do. Dave's into motorbikes, so no doubt we'll probably be taking a motorbike or two along the way with us at some point. He's probably watching me right now as I'm filming through the Ring doorbell, so say hi if you're there, Dave. Anyway, so yeah, here she is. She's really good. We're really, really happy with her. So we're really keen to get going with this project. We know we've got a lot on our hands to do it. We do have a budget. Our budget is £10,000. The van itself was £5,500. To ensure we got a really good quote and have really happy with our insurance that we're paying for it. We'll go into detail about that on another video, me and Dave together. And tax is, I can't remember, again, we'll state that in another video. But overall, our budget is £10,000, and we are hoping to get all of the electrics, the solar panels, a new fridge. We have a sink unit, a sink itself anyway, so we probably won't be buying one of those. We have a lot of wood ourselves. We're going to be building the units ourselves. Our bed, we're going to use an IKEA frame because we want it to be sturdy, solid and comfortable. And yeah, we're just going to try and keep it modern, probably bright, but with a twist of our own design on it and colour, because I do like colour. Dave's very plain when it comes to colour palettes, but me, I do love a bit of colour. So I'll probably get my own way and be able to put my design spin on it, but we will see. So yeah, join us as we go along with our journey creating our dream. Thanks for watching.